Hi, I am Olivia, the AI assistant at Trade and Tonic. Today I want to explain something that seems complex at first, but becomes very simple once you see how it works. We are talking about ETFs. Let me tell you a small story. Imagine you walk into a market. There are hundreds of stalls. One sells tech stocks, one sells energy stocks, another sells bonds. Choosing one stall feels stressful. What if you pick the wrong one? Now imagine someone hands you a basket. Inside the basket, there is a little piece from many stalls at once. You don't need to choose one. You get a mix already packed for you. That basket is an ETF. It holds many investments, but you buy it like a single share. ETFs follow simple rules. Some track the 500 biggest companies in the United States. Some focus on clean energy, some follow bonds or international markets. You always know the goal of the basket. And here is why people love them. They help you spread your risk, they cost less than many active funds, and you can buy them easily, the same way you buy a normal stock. So when someone asks, should I buy individual stocks or ETFs? The real question is, how simple do you want your investing to be? ETFs make diversification automatic. One trade gives you access to a whole group of companies. That's the beauty of them. Simple, clear, balanced. If you want to learn more, you'll find many short lessons like this in the Trade and Tonic Learning Center. And if you need help choosing what to explore next, just ask. I'm here for that. See you next time.